Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'm gonna show you how to draw Jiren versus Goku. So as we all know, Dragon Ball Super is probably going to end and this is the climax part which is going on. That is the fight between Jiren and Goku. And Goku just mastered his Ultra Instinct, so it got really interesting and I thought why not let's do a tutorial on the epic battle fight. So first of all we need two perfect squares of 5 centimeters each side and the distance between them I have shared the information in the screen, you can see. So with the help of these two boxes you can easily draw Jiren on the left side and Goku on the right side, and in between we will draw the battlefield. But first we'll start by drawing Goku. So I'll start by drawing the right box first and then draw Goku, and then after that we will draw the left box for Jiren and then continue a sketch and then inking and coloring. So let's start with the materials I'll be using for drawing the sketch. First of all, like always, 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching, an eraser stick for more accurate erasing, 2 Copic multiliners for inking. First is a 0.05 Copic multiliner for inking thin lines, mainly for face features and for the background, and 0.1 Copic multiliner for inking the remaining body, basically thick lines. A white pen for giving highlights to a drawing, a charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking, some Copic sketch markers for coloring our drawing, and finally 2 Prismacolor pencils, white and brown. A white Prismacolor pencil for giving more highlights to our drawing after coloring, and a brown Prismacolor pencil for just giving more detailing to our arena. So that's all we need for drawing this sketch. We are good to go. So without wasting any more time, let's dig in.
So first we'll start by drawing Goku's forehead very close to the left outer line of box. Then draw a small line inwards and draw his nose straight till here, a little below the middle line of box. Draw his lower part of his nose inwards again. And then below his nose we'll draw his lips. Draw his chin at the center bottom but a little towards the right side, and extend the jawline from chin to upwards on the right side. For drawing his lips you can even draw a rough straight line to make it more simple, and just above it we'll draw his lips like a W. Then from the center draw a small curved line to give it a smile. Draw some shadow lines below the lips and below the nose. Start drawing his eyebrow just above his nose. Extend it upwards and take it outside the box. And curve it from the ends and make it more thicker. Draw 2 parallel lines very close to the eyebrow and start drawing his eye exactly below his eyebrow. Draw his eyeball on the left side of his eye. Draw 3 wrinkles below the eye and above his eye. Draw his neck just below his jawline. We'll draw a few of his hair spikes exactly in front of his eyes. And start drawing his ear just above the right outer line of box. First draw the outer shape of his ear, then start filling inside detailings. And now it's time to draw his remaining hair spikes. We'll first draw the outer line of his hair spikes and then we'll start giving more detailing on the inside. And our hair are also ready. We'll draw some shadow line first and then we'll start drawing his chest just below his neck. And then draw his clothes around his chest. Our Goku is ready. Now let's start drawing Jiren, and for that we'll first draw a perfect square of 5 cm each side. Then we'll do the same like we did for Goku. First we'll start by drawing his forehead, but this will be outside the box and we'll take it inside the box, and just below his forehead we'll draw his nose till the center line of box. And for drawing his lips, we'll repeat the same process. We'll draw a rough straight line first so that we can easily draw his lips just above it. Draw chin at the center bottom but a little towards the left side, and extend his jawline from chin upwards towards the left side and take it outside the box. With the help of the rough line we drew, we will draw his lips just below his nose. Extend his forehead and draw a small nostril and shadow lines below the nose. For drawing his eye, first we'll draw some wrinkles very close to his forehead, and then we'll draw his big eyes just besides the wrinkles. For that, draw a straight line upwards first, and then we'll draw a semicircle from below. We'll draw his eyeball on the right side. Extend his forehead a bit more. And then we'll draw his neck just below his jaw. Start drawing his chest exactly below his neck. Also, we'll draw his right shoulder just besides his chest. And then for drawing his ear, first we'll draw a circle on the top left corner outside the box. Then draw 2 semicircles around the circle. And finally, we'll complete his head by drawing a semicircle. Our characters are ready. Now for the background, first we'll draw a rough layout for the arena by drawing 2 rough lines. On the upper line, we'll draw some different shapes of rocks. And just above the rocks, we'll draw some random clouds floating around. For drawing Goku in his mastered Ultra Instinct form, we'll remove his clothes and draw his shoulder. Also, we'll draw a circle at the center of his eyeball. And our drawing is complete. Let's start inking it. For inking, first I'm using 0.5 Copic multiliner for inking thin lines, mainly for inking the face features, and for the remaining body I'll use 0.1 Copic multiliner. Keep a paper below your palms so that you don't smudge pencil lines and your drawing is neat. And most importantly, like I always say, do not get nervous and enjoy the process.
our drawing is complete. I am so happy with the results. It looks really cool. The colors popped out really nice. The blending went really smooth. The sketching was not so tricky. In fact, it was quite simple than my usual drawings because there are just two characters facing each other. I did not have to draw their hands, their body, only their faces and with a background. So sketching was quite simple. While inking, I tried to keep good balance between thick lines and thin lines so that it doesn't look uniform and simple, and that's why I tried to keep a variation in lines. And while coloring, as you can see, there is a good amount of blending in this drawing. It turned out really good, and after coloring I gave more highlights with my white Prismacolor pencil, which popped out my drawing even more. I am very happy with this drawing. I enjoyed a lot making this video for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. There are lots of awesome drawings and tutorials, Q&As waiting for us in future. You don't want to miss them out, and that is why you also need to ring the bell to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Share this video with your friends so that more and more people can watch it and draw it. For getting my latest drawing updates, you can follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Ayush Pencil Art, and I'll be also sharing the links down below, so go check them out. And yes, a very important reminder for you all that my next video is going to be a Q&A video, so I need you to drop your questions in this comment section of this video. I'll be picking up your questions from the comment section and answering them in my next Q&A video. So whatever questions you have related to drawing or anything you want to know, you can write it down in comment section. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.